What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy tezzyboi here, and I am back with another video. It just feels good to be on camera. Like, I got the camera, I got the big boy camera. The job had me messed up today. If you guys watching this, which I know you guys probably gonna be watching this, why would y'all schedule me to be the only person at the to be a car pusher on a day when people just got money and they just got paid? 11 to 7? Yeah, no, that's not it. Today I'm going to be chilling with my siblings. We're probably going to be doing some videos. I'm looking for June. June been wanting to make a video. So I decided to just pull out the camera. You know where this place is? You will know. Yep. I'm not even going to lie. I'm in Zaxby's right now. I'm hungry. I like their chicken sandwiches. Their spicy chicken sandwiches is the best. No kizzy. I see my chicken sandwiches up there. Let's get it. Keep it banned. Do I look like a freak? Look at me. This shit crazy. No count. But I do got the videos, you guys, that I did from when I just copped some new. Oh yeah, y'all got to see my cops. Roll it. You know, y'all coming with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all coming with me. We finna get some drip. I don't even know. It's been a minute since I did this. Don't even bug. No kizzy. Here we go. I got the red ones. Cool. I'm just getting me a 10. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. Forget it.
Hunter, you did it again.
Man, when I tell y'all she was flirting with me and them, bruh. This mud is nice. Look at that. It's like right beside me. It's a Stingray. It's a Z. Whatever. It's a Corvette. I got the cop. You know what I'm saying? I got the cop. Don't think about it, cause I got the cop, nigga. Yay. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I have to get a lot of stuff for myself. I have to spoil myself sometimes. Y'all finna start seeing me go shopping. Y'all finna start seeing me go shopping. Get ready for them vlogs. Let's get it.
You said you gonna be in there for an hour?
Now I said I'm gonna take a shower.
I'm trying to take a shower.
You said you like Michael Lowry.
Wait, put your...
My room back on, man.
No.
Don't he seem like, bro, like you gonna be,
Put your
like you gonna be working at a hotel or something? That's what it look like with these long pants, bro, long johns. Now he have a long john shirt. What the heck?
You moved your body right there, nigga. My foot there.
Bro. Hey, look, this man have a long john shirt, and I don't know where he got it from, bro. Dude is silly, dude. Oh yeah, you sure do got apron. Oh, got black with powder thrown on it just to make it look like you worked harder than you did.
Hey man, you look a little sus.
Thank you, my
You
guy.
look like you're about to crawl up someone's slide. I wasn't supposed to say
He said they look sus. What you gonna have too, so I guess we just. Hey, but lighter is gonna make you, bro. It don't even matter. Bam. That's alright. You gonna look sus with them jeans that you be having on, man. Them tight ass jeans, man. Y'all heard of it? Y'all heard it, right? The 97s.
Oh my gosh, bruh.
What's up, money?
Look, no, I can't show the camera. I cannot show the camera. Come here. No.
True.
You remember my hair?
Yeah.
Come on, TikTok.
Not the silent class.
That wasn't all that it was on beat. Okay.
landed, but.
So what is scoop?
You gotta do.
You guys, I ain't gonna lie, I miss this life of living, just breathing. You know what I'm saying? Check out this. I got my eyes lasered. Check it out. I know you guys seen it, bro. Oh boy. That's sister right here, you guys, as I'm recording. So it's like weird because a live audience while I'm recording the video. I miss doing this. Why my face looks so greasy, like. Simple. My forehead's so soft and squishy. It is. It's squishy, man. Let's go.
We got customers, a lot of customers. Yeah.
So y'all go by that respected too.
Y'all go buy that Respected too. It's available everywhere.
Y'all
On
heard
your
them.
phone, on your computer, or even on your laptop.
That's good job, man.
Yeah, they're kind of same. Computer, laptop, yeah.
Right. Let's do this.
I'm keeping you safe, John. Keeping you safe, John. Because if I get an F on...
Bad bitch wanna fuck me, get your ass in. Dolce ain't gon' burn out all that fashion. If a nigga try me up, you know we blast in. Yeah, walk in, start taxing.